free Mac app called GIFski, which is a perfect match for my needs. It lets me adjust the resolution, automatically calculating the second dimension. I can specify FPS and quality, and it can even adjust speed and put a delay on the loop. Plus, it includes QuickTime Player's trim feature. Most importantly, though, it shows the estimated size of the resulting file. It turns out the estimates were at least 80% larger than the actual result, but I'm not displeased. I used it last night to easily downsample a 21-second, 23 megabyte iPhone 13 mini screen recording to 485K GIF while retaining the reasonable quality shown at the bottom of my post. He sent us an image. You can't see it, but looks great. GIFski, which is updated regularly, will now be part of my regular workflow. And did I mention it's free? It's not going to cost you anything, folks. And I am going with GIF because in my memory, that is what, because I never had a religion on this, and then I heard, and again, this could be not true because I just believed it and I just heard it, that GIF was what the developer creator of the image standard called it himself.
You are remembering correctly. I researched this. It was Steve Wilhite who created it at CompuServe in 1987, pronounced it GIF like you did. And he said the thing I found says he made this emphatically clear when accepting a Lifetime Achievement speech at the 2013 Webby Awards, where his 5-word acceptance speech displayed on screen read, "It's pronounced JIF, not GIF." That's it. That's it.